Welcome, how you doing? Today we are going to make ornaments out of some things that you can find in nature. So we're gonna need a milkweed pot or two and some pine cones. Our first ornament is this cute little reindeer on a pine cone. So this is a shorter pine cone. This is a red pine. If you can find a pine cone and some pipe cleaners, I will show you how to make this. So we start with just an empty pine cone, and whatever you want to use for the legs, whatever color pipe cleaner. I'm gonna use brown, and you're just gonna take your pipe cleaner and fold it in half, and then cut. And if you cut further in on the scissor blade, it'll cut it very easily. Then you're gonna take your half of a pipe cleaner and fold it in half, and these are gonna be your legs. So you're gonna take your legs, and this narrower part of the pine cone is the face. You're gonna get it kind of in and around the different parts of the pine cone so it sticks out at the bottom. Once that is in there, we're gonna make little feet. So you can bend it, and then you're gonna bend it again, and I'll show you the bottom view. So you kind of get a little round shape, a little reindeer foot. We're gonna do the same thing with the other side. This will just give it something to balance on. So we're gonna add our front feet, same way, just kind of weave it in and around the pine cone and try to get it as even as possible. And then we'll make our little feet. So bend it and loop. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And you want to keep all 4 feet at about the same level so that it can stand up. Now, you can either glue on your eyeballs at this point and your nose, or you can put on the antlers. So I'm gonna put my antlers on, and you can use whatever color pipe cleaner you want for the antlers. I'm gonna use this red sparkly one. I think it's fun, but you can make a couple of these and do different colored antlers. So for the antlers, we're gonna come in from the bottom. And the same idea, we're kind of weaving around our pipe cleaner, or our pine cone. And then, because these have the wire in them, you're gonna make some antlers. So these are the ones I made on my other one. And you can just bend them around. And the nice thing about pipe cleaners is that even if you're not happy with the way your antlers come out, you can just re-bend them and kind of come up with a different shape. All right. Our last, well, not our last thing, but now we need to add our little face. So if you have hot glue, it'll be quicker to glue on your googly eyes and a pom-pom nose. And if not, you can just use white glue and then find a spot to let this rest and dry. If you're using hot glue, just be careful when you're putting the glue on. You don't want to touch it. So pick a spot for one eyeball. I think the googly eyes are fun. These ones are kind of big. And then I'm gonna have this little point right here be his nose. If you don't have a pom-pom, you can take a cotton ball and color it red or black with a marker. And there we go. Here's our silly little reindeer.